Hello everyone and welcome to a quick Windows tutorial. In this video I want to show you how to turn on dark mode in Windows. It's pretty simple to do. First I go to my desktop, right click and select Personalize. On the left side I select Colors. Here I can now quickly switch from light mode to dark mode. But that's not all. Down here I can set a color for all elements. These are, for example, borders or the tiles in the Start menu. I can also let Windows automatically choose a color that matches my background. Since my background is blue, Windows will also choose a blue one. And if we scroll down a little bit, we can also specify if the color should be used for the taskbar and the search, and the tile bars and window borders. Now it's hard to see because it's blue. If I choose yellow, you will see what that means. And that's how easy it is to switch to dark mode in Windows and customize the colors. I hope you enjoyed the video and I'll see you again in the next tutorial. Until then, your tutorial guy. Bye.